Minister Smriti Irani has accused the opposition of misleading farmers. Listen in to an exclusive conversation with Smriti Irani. Rahul Srivastava speaks.
Members jumping into the well, reaching the chair of the deputy chairperson, tearing rule books, yanking off mics. Senior Minister in the government, Smriti Irani, is with me. Ma'am, is this how bills should be passed?
I have been a member of the Rajya Sabha and it's been a privilege for me to be so. And I have never witnessed such kind of an attack on the constitutional position of the chairperson of the House, or for that matter, the deputy chairperson who was physically present at that time. I could never imagine that a member would get up, not only break the microphone, also try and tear the rule book that actually moderates the conduct in the House. For the opposition, and I, Mr. Srivastava, for you, I'm carrying a copy of both the bills. You tell me, what can anybody oppose in the bill?
There is only one objection, which is that there is no specific mention that the MSP is guaranteed.
Why would you think that the MSP is not guaranteed when the agriculture minister on the floor of both the houses, and you are a seasoned reporter, you know that the minister concerned or the ministry concerned can in no way digress from a promise made. It's an assurance on the floor of the House. It's an assurance by the highest constitutional office in the country, that of the Prime Minister. And
you think it's not the concern of the farmers, only the opposition?
The issue has been addressed by the agriculture minister and the Honorable Prime Minister time and again on every platform possible, that the MSP is assured. And those in the opposition who say that they are aggrieved, I would like to very respectfully ask of them that 10 years while the UPA was in power in Delhi, why did they not then take into consideration the Swaminathan Committee report suggestions with regards to MSP? It is Narendra Modi who made it possible for the farmers in our country to get that MSP as has been ordained fit by the Swaminathan Committee. And it is the Swaminathan Committee report, and given my 10 years of limited experience in both the houses of parliament, I have seen that every time the opposition wants to take up a farmer issue, they speak about the Swaminathan Committee report. It is the Swaminathan Committee report which talks about one market for all farmers in the country. And the passage of these two bills actually legally assures that one nation, one market theory. Why would anybody in their right mind want to oppose such a progressive and a reform?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.